Taking screenshot in Microsoft Word is easier than you think. Let me show you how. I have this Word document open, and if I want to take screenshot of some other documents, I will go to Insert option, and then you can see within illustrations there is screenshot option. If I click little node on the bottom, and either I can take the screenshot of the available windows or I'll go for the clipping. So first I will take the screenshot from these windows. If I click this one, you can see the screenshot has been inserted within my this document. Just press delete. And now second option is go to insert again. And if I want to take the screenshot of some other document other than the document in which I'm right now, I'll click screen clipping, and it will minimize my current document, and it will take me to the other document which was open. So I'll just take the screenshot like this, and it will take the screenshot within my original document. Just press delete button. What is the shortcut key to take the screenshot in Microsoft Word? The shortcut key is Alt N S C C. Now you can see it has taken me to the other document where I will take the screenshot, and it will take the screenshot to my original document. So this was the shortcut key to take the screenshot of the some other document. So these were the method to insert the screenshot from some other document. What if I want to take the screenshot within this document? How can I do this? I will just go to the search bar and click SNIPP. You can see the snipping tool. Click on this one, and it will give me this option. You can see the snipping tool. I click on plus button, and then I will take the screenshot of the area where I want. And now it will give me another window where I can save the screenshot from here, or I can copy and paste wherever I want to do. So this was the how to take screenshot within this document. Hit the like button if you like this video.